Hello all, I welcome you all back onto this channel. I hope all of you are staying safe and I wish you all a very happy this. Last time when we have done this video on GATE 2022 application form, basically how to fill the form, some of you have contacted us for solving your doubts at different points of filling the form. So we felt happy for guiding you actually here. So on June 15th of this year, we have launched a batch exclusive for GATE 2022 Engineering Sciences who are going to write the exam with XCB, Fluid Mechanics and XCE, Thermodynamics as the combinational subjects basically, correct? So within this span of 3.5 months, we have successfully finished the batch and we are now offering the recordings of those online live classes. Means basically the recording of that session which was actually taken as live. Okay, so we are going to offer this recording, and this batch was actually done by a price of 5,000, but right now since this was already done, it's a recording, so we are slightly reducing the price and we are going to sell this batch at 4,000 rupees. But because of the DESA, we are going to provide some DESA offer and we are going to give this complete recordings of online live classes at only 2,000 plus GST as of now. Okay, so this offer is valid only till 17th midnight, means only Sunday 11:59 p.m. So if you want to avail this complete package, which includes engineering maths, XCA, XCB, fluid mechanics, XCE, engineering thermodynamics, and also the general aptitude, we can always go for this package. Okay, and in this batch, basically, we have solved each and every PYQ of all these three XCA, XCB, XCE subjects, and also we have done some very detailed explanation on each and every concepts in this subjects. Okay, so I would like to quickly spend some 1-2 minutes on how to purchase this package just to educate you. So if you see, Infinity-Hub, okay, let me show you from the beginning. So if you click Infinity-Hub in the Google, so you can get your login page. So if you are here for the first time, you can go with the sign up. If you click sign up, it asks for your phone number and just 2-3 data points. But here, if you already have an account, you can go for the login directly. Okay, so you can just go for the login. I'm just logging, so I'm just logging in. So if you see, we have these batches, and in the first batch you can see the GATE 2022 XCA recorded classes. Okay, so once you click this recorded classes, so you can get all the classes basically within different subjects like engineering mathematics. Then after, within next 1 day, we are going to add the fluid mechanics lectures and also the thermodynamics lectures and also the general aptitude lectures. So we are going to add all these lectures and you are going to get this complete package at only 2,000 cost. But of course, this is recordings of the live classes. Again, it's not live again separately. This is just the recordings of what happened in the class basically when we are going for this batch. Okay, so we are having this complete batch for 2,000 rupees till 17th midnight, but after that the price will go to 4,000 rupees. Okay, so this is how, means basically you can click the buy now option. If you don't get subscribed, you'll have a buy now option. You can click that buy now option. Okay, and also we have launched the test series for GATE 2022 XE in last August, so that is also going very good. And if you still wish to purchase, if you want to write the test and all, we are going to have some 50 plus tests at very detailed solutions available after each and every test. So if you want to write this test, which we had already some good record for the last year, so this test is also being sold at 50% discount. Right now we are going to get this test at only 600 rupees till 17th of midnight. So I wish that you purchase one of these packages or maybe both, and you can just learn the things and also practice the test simultaneously so that you can get your GATE 2022 with flourishing colors. Okay, I wish you all very good for the GATE 2022. Please be focused and keep preparing because we have only very short time, some 3.5 months left very hardly. So please practice very well and don't waste any time in this point at this point. Okay, so thank you all. We'll meet again soon on this channel. Thank you all.